back with another fucking
Drinking with candy.
off the motherfucking loopy juice. We out here in Boca Chica, nigga, living life. And he broke his phone, bro, but he's here. It doesn't matter, bro.
I lost it.
Crave, nigga. Yeah, fam. This guy.
This is your sign to get some donkeys, kid. The fuck you waiting for, kid? Go down to your nearest donkeys today.
Fucking that shit up, man. Morning, Santo Domingo. We're here with the hooligans. We about to step outside for a second. Look at the white teeth check. Ooh, wee, crispy. Crispy.
White teeth crispy.
Pero bien crispy. I go.
Whiter than your teeth.
Wow. Thank you, Kenny. I appreciate that. They got the glizzies out. Ooh, wee.
Yes!
Jump ball, yo, you got jump ball go to your hair, bro?
Yeah.
See the detail on this shit. Yeah, it's great.
Done. Little done. Big done. We got that done.
Ay, mi madre.
We ate breakfast, so now we ready. Let's prepare our favorite cocktail.
With candy. Drinking with candy. Drinking with candy. Drinking with candy.
We get a cup first. The Don Holy.
Heavy-handed, huh?
We got the recut orange, the 100% orange. Y'all never had shit like this, bro. Honestly.
No sugar. Straight from the
Straight
fucking tree.
Straight got.
From the swag
All right,
group.
let's give it a taste test, guys. Let's see.
Let's go.
Salute.
I barely tasted Don Julio.
Abortion.
I barely tasted Don Julio at that point.
Yo, cooking with Kenny is onto something, bro. Off the motherfucking loopy juice. This morning we're gonna go out to Boca Chica. It's in Santo Domingo Beach. We're gonna sit there, drink, go to the water, see some.
I'm on Pokemon right now.
Can you explain what happened here, bro?
Apart from that, I didn't do it. I
No?
swear.
You didn't do it? So it was Mike? No? It wasn't Mike, no? It was Albert? My guy, can you explain what's going on here, bro? What happened?
One more left.
That one's empty too, bro.
Nah, you're lying. Don.
You can leave that one here, though. Don time. You don't even know about that. Guys. We made it, boys. Look at this shit, man. That's that shit, man. We here in Boca Chica. We getting litty with it.
That's exactly why they made us fill out that e-ticket.
Yeah, nigga.
What that e-ticket be saying?
That e-ticket be like, you gonna buy or you gonna go.
Are you single or you coming by?
Feel me? We out here drinking, living life. Shit looks beautiful right now. I wish y'all was here, but feel me? I'm gonna just enjoy it for y'all. Come through, my guy. Kenny broke his phone, bro, but he's here. It doesn't matter, bro, because you're living life. You don't need your phone here, bro. Look at me. Look at me.
I don't need my phone out here. I lost it.
Crave, nigga.
Not the crave, you fucking. They gonna get one cup of Don Julio and start acting. Look at the mermaid right here.
Look at me, big bro.
Big bro out here.
Big bro? It won't even focus in on the hat, my nigga. That hat's fresh on you, bro. Drip.
Oh. Oh.
God damn it.
God damn it.
But it's all good. Don't worry about it. We gonna get it fixed, bro. It's not a problem. They fix everything here, bro. They can fix your broken heart. You know, they can fix Mike, bro. Anything's possible. Me and Funk Flex looking for. These niggas really cool.
Those are the pins I was.
And going up first, we have the Plátanos Burger. And next we have Michael Jackson.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Update. I'm smacked as fuck by now. I broke my crave, but we got a new one. Right now, we're just enjoying life right now. Kenny, you want to tell him something, bro?
Here, hold up. Let me take this phone real quick. We're living life, dog. We're up. We're eating good. We're fucking smoking good. We're fucking drinking good. That ass, I broke my phone, but like I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck.
Sorry for laughing, but that's just crazy.
I don't give a fuck. Jeffrey saying sorry for laughing.
I'm sorry for laughing, but that's just crazy.
My nigga, I don't give a fuck as long as I'm out here. Like, do you see the shit behind me? Bah! Got you, nigga.
And if Kenny said I was gay, bro, I believe him, believe him. This nigga came out crispy. I got the braids done, man.
Look at that shit. Yo, watch his set.
I'm nigga wildin'. Ever. Man, this BJ was wildin'. Look at me, I changed right now. Feel me, see? I got the new fit on. Feel me, looking very crispy, very, very nice. Look at this water. Amazing, right? Look at that. I could see through your lies, bro. Bro, what the fuck happened, bro? Yo, that's looking like a cake, nigga.
Yeah.